Hi, and welcome back to the Bad Back Gardener. It has been a while since we've done a film here, and just wanted to get on here and say that we are now over 100,000 views on my small YouTube channel here. Wish the subscribers were a little bit more, but we did reach and go over and moved on from 100,000 views, which is pretty exciting. So that's a good note for today. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And if your back ain't hurting, you ain't working.